Calling all collectors, are you ready for another round of Change Checker trading cards? At the start of 2020, we released 20 of Britain's favourite 50p coins as exclusive trading cards, from the Kew Gardens to Peter Rabbit, Benjamin Britten to Benjamin Bunny, giving Change Checkers the chance to build up an exciting new collection. Your response to these has been overwhelming, and so now I'm delighted to share with you the news that the next batch is hot off the press, with 20 brand new Change Checker trading card designs to add to your collection. Each trading card features a UK commemorative 50p coin design, alongside specifications and a key fact about the coin, all revealed by removing that silver film. So with 40 different designs now available to collect, the challenge is on to find them all. So keep your eyes out for any upcoming Change Checker deliveries, as we'll be adding in a free Change Checker trading card from time to time to get you started. Each card has been printed in quantities to reflect the coin's overall rarity, so you can experience the same joy of the hunt and track down those rarer cards to add to your collection. Not only are the Change Checker trading cards easy and fun to collect, they also fit straight into any Change Checker album. So if you can't wait to get hold of your new trading cards, stay tuned to our social media channels, as we'll be running some exclusive giveaways for Change Checkers. And don't forget, one of the best ways to build up a collection is to swap with other collectors. So make sure you check out the Change Checker community group on Facebook to get trading. For more information and to find out all about the latest trading cards to collect, head over to the link on screen and in the description. Thanks for watching and happy collecting.